Hello my friends and welcome back. I'm Mohsen and you are watching to the new video of the MKR developer channel. This is the third video of the navigation component tutorial, and in this video I'm going to merge these two videos together. That means that I'm going to show you how to create a drawer menu using navigation component to navigate between the fragments. In this video I showed you by clicking the items of the menu we can display a toast message just like this, and I told you if you want you can manage fragments and activities to go to them by clicking on the items of the menu. And in this video practically I will show you how to do this. I'm going to add 3 of these items in a simple menu, and I'm going to build like a simple menu to make this video shorter. If you want to know about the details, making groups and everything, please watch this video, and also watch the video about the navigation component tutorial. The first video is enough for this. I will put the link in the description, and here you can click on this link and watch that video. So let's get started. For this I'm going to the resource manager, in the layout pressing the plus, layout resource file, and here I'm going to call it header. Okay, here I have some icons that I have added before I start recording this video, and I'm going to use them. So you can find these icons with the whole source code in my GitHub, and I will put the link down below in the description. Now let's go to the resource manager, and here we need a menu, and here menu resource file, and I'm going to call it main_menu. I'm adding 3 menu items, and here for each menu item I'm going to add the icon. First of all, the home with the title home, and the checkable, to true, and the same for the rest. Okay, here as the ID we have to set the same ID, exactly the same ID that we are using for our fragments. So remember the IDs that you are using for the item, and later in the navigation graph we will use the same IDs for the fragment. Okay, now we have 3 items with the checkable true and icons and the IDs and the labels. That's it about the menu, and let's go to the next level. Okay, here in the navigation I'm going to click the plus and navigation resource file. I'm going to call it my underscore nav, and you can name it anything you want. And I'm pressing OK to add automatically the dependencies. Okay, now the project is synced and ready to use. I'm going to press this and create new destination and blank fragment. Next, I'm going to call it home fragment. The same for the rest of the fragments. Okay, now I'm going to the layout of the fragments and do some changes to have the big label, the text view here in the middle, to write the name of the fragment, and later we will be knowing in which fragment we are. Okay, now let's go to the layout of the main activity to do the changes and add the drawer menu. So I'm going to split this, and instead of this constraint layout I'm going to add drawer Okay. Okay, let's check what we have till now on the emulator. Okay, this is our menu, and just this toolbar is like duplicated, so we don't need it. We should go to the uh, values, to the theme, and instead of dark action bar, I'm going to write no action bar. And now let's check it again. Okay, that's cool. We have a menu and so on. And here, instead of this, we can write okay, 8 times 0, and now yeah, this is transparent, and it looks cool and simple. Okay, let's go further. I'm going to the build.gradle here because I'm going to use the view binding for this project, and I'm going to sync it. Okay, cool. Here in the main activity, I'm going to search for the navigation host fragment, and I'm going to add it here. The source will be my nav. And it should be connected to top, and here and here. And as you see now, I have the home fragment in the middle of the screen. It's because it was the main fragment of my navigation graph. Okay, that's cool. Everything looks perfect. And the ID of this container, I'm going to change it to fragment only. Okay, let's go to the MainActivity.kt. Here I'm going to start with the view binding. So okay, here we need some more variables. I'm going to add them and then I will explain them and I will tell you why we need them. Okay, so private late init variable. First of all, we need the bar configuration or bar configuration, then private. Late init variable, nav controller, just these two for now are enough. So here binding dot apply, set support action bar toolbar. Okay, and navigation controller. I think I forgot to do something. Let's go to the main activity.xml. Here, yes, I forgot to set an ID for this navigation view. So here I need an ID, and I'm going to call it navigation view. And this one as well, let's change it to a fragment. Yeah, that's cool. Let's go back to the main activity here. Remember about this line of code. If you don't write this line of code, your application doesn't do anything. So navigation view dot bring to front. Okay, then here navigation controller equal to find nav controller or dot id dot id dot fragment, which was this, the navigation host, and then binding dot navigation view dot set up read navigation controller, and I'm going to pass here nav controller. Okay, and then app bar configuration equals to app bar configuration, and here we are going to pass nav controller dot graph and drawer layout, but sorry, binding dot drawer layout. Okay, then here set up action bar with navigation controller, and we are passing the nav controller here, and the app bar configuration. Okay, now we have to override the function, so I'm going to press Ctrl O, and here just write on support navigation, sorry, on support navigate up, this one, the boolean. Okay, here I need one nav controller equals to, again, find nav controller r.id.fragment, and here before this super, between the return and super, just write the nav controller dot navigate up, and pass the app bar configuration. Okay, and here just like that. I think everything is good. Here I can make the binding private. Let's check it on the emulator. Okay, we are in the home, the menu works, and hotel, and this hamburger icon changed automatically to the back arrow, and I'm pressing the back, and we will be going to the home again. So I'm going to the ticket, and again we will go back to the home, hotel, and home, and you can use the app like this as well. Just press this, and you can go from the ticket directly to the hotel, or from hotel directly to the ticket, or if you want, go back to home. And that was everything about this video. If you are satisfied of this content and you want to financially support me, you can find the link down below in the description, and by pressing on the link you can buy me a coffee. I will put the link of all of the requirements into the description below, included the previous videos and the related videos to this app. And if you don't know how to work with the menu, with the icons, vector asset and everything, you can click on the related video and watch that video to be familiar with these topics. Thank you very much. If you find this video interesting, please remember to share it with your friends and give me a thumbs up. And if you have any question, please write down in the comment box below, and I will be so happy to answer your questions. Remember to subscribe to the channel for new videos. Have a good time. See you in next videos. Bye bye.